Alright, here is the unboxing of the Thermaltake 1050 watt Grand Platinum. Check it. Yeah, here it is. Yeah. Alright, so what we've got is a box that doesn't want to be opened, but we will not relent. There we go. Plastic is off. Kind of a nice box. Opens up. There we go. Looks like pretty good directions, not massively thick. Nice C13 cable, looks like, which is good. Connectors in there. Oh, look at this, it's wrapped up so nicely. Yeah, here you go, look, perfectly sealed. Ooh, you get to peel this back. Ta-da! Look at that. Cabling all colorfully labeled. C13 connection. On and off. Yeah, this thing looks just about right. We're gonna have some fun. SATA connectors, we look good. Alright, so that's that. Here is all the cabling. Ta-da! Here we go. Molex to 4-pin. Woohoo! ATX. Molex, another Molex to 4-pin, so that's 2 total. Look at these are all the colorful 8-pin 6x2. 6x2. 2, 3, 4. Wonderful cabling. Great for 1,000 watts, so you're set. Oh, look at SATA. We're gonna unwind these. Plenty of cables. Sorry, hang in there. That's all wound up with wires. There we go. And you're looking like a lot of SATA cables. Molex SATA number 1. Molex. The SATA to SATA to Molex. Yep. To SATA. 3 SATAs. Uh-oh. 2 8-pin connectors. Voila. And that's it. Looks like we're going to have to adapt one Molex to SATA to make this work, which I'm not particularly happy about, but we'll make it work. Alright, here's the catch. This has 4, and we have 4 cables. We have 3 SATA cables. 1, 2, 3. 1 Molex, right? That's connected. That gives us a total of 4. We have 1 leftover Molex. So that is a real bummer, because if we had 1 more connector for this Molex, setup would be pretty straightforward. We'd have channels for kind of everything. So anyway, just my take. Hi, welcome to Carlsbad Mining. This is just a follow-up on the Thermaltake Grand Platinum 1050 watt power supply. We had some challenges with that particular power supply. We were running a 15 card rig, and we were going to power 8 cards with 2 of these power supplies. That would be 4 cards per power supply, with 1 power supply actually running the motherboard, powering the motherboard from 8-pin, the ATX, and the SATA power to the hard drive. So it seemed very doable, especially with that wattage of power supply. But the challenge that we had was that the system itself, the cards run about 185 watts per card. We're running the MSI Radeon 580 Gaming X 8 gig cards, video cards, and the challenge, again, when you're dual mining Ethereum and Decred, is that the power push, and sometimes it's bursting, and this particular power supply is geared towards a fixed multi-lane. So that means it can't burst past a particular amperage without cutting out. And at first we thought it was the heat where it was assembled on the rig, so we put up heat shielding. We tried all kinds of different scenarios to try and cool the power supply. It didn't work. And ultimately we figured out that it was, in fact, when it hit these thresholds where the wattage was bursting, it would just shut down. So we ended up sending them back, and we got the Corsair. The 1000 watt Platinum has a setting that you can either do multi-channel or single channel, and the single allows you to burst on any particular single lane to a high amperage. So that allows those particular power supplies to operate in that kind of environment, and it's stable. We've been running now for a month, and it's not a problem. So if you, again, depending upon what you're looking for as far as with your system, you may not be looking to dual mine, and these might work out fine for you. Or you may have cards that are a lower wattage. I mean, some of the 470s are as low as like 85 watts per card. So again, it's all about that balance of cost, and it's trial and error. So, you know, these are our trials and our errors, and, you know, our goal is to be transparent and help everybody to kind of establish their own ideas and feelings about the products, and hopefully accelerate and use our learning curve to accelerate your learning curve. So I hope that this helps, and yeah, leave some comments, let us know if there's anything we can do to help you. We're here to help, and I will put our findings down below. So enjoy. If you like it, please hit that like button, and that'll be great for us. Thanks.